Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the triple measurement interval time on WITHINGS BPM Core. In order to do it, you should click on your device in top right corner in the WITHINGS app, then scroll down until you find BPM Core features, and you can go to 3 times measurement interval time. By the way, there is a video on how to take a triple measurement, but let's now try to actually set some seconds, maybe 90 seconds, and now when you start a triple measurement on the device, then it'll take 90 seconds between the measurements. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.